Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Elden Ring Nightreign crashing. First, make sure Elden Ring Nightreign is patched to the latest version. Update your GPU drivers, whether NVIDIA or AMD, to the newest release. On Steam, go to your library and select Elden Ring. Now open Properties, then Local Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will fix any corrupted or missing files. Reduce dramatic settings such as shadows, textures, and effects, and display ray tracing or motion blur to help reduce crashes. Then, run the game as an administrator by right-clicking the game executable and selecting Run as Administrator to avoid permission conflicts. Next, close any overlays, recording software, antivirus programs, and other applications that may interfere with the game. Now, check your system's health by monitoring CPU and GPU temperatures to prevent thermal throttling. Ensure that you have enough RAM and disk space, and consider increasing virtual memory if needed. That's it, thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.